In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva to design welcome back to school greetings for your school. So just go to the search bar and type in back to school, and it will bring you a lot of options. So you can pick any of these options. You realize some of the options are carrying Pro, which means for you to use this Pro version, you must have for you to use this Pro template, you must have the Pro version of Canva on your phone. And I've created a video earlier on how you can get Canva Pro for yourself. So if you need that video, you can let me know in the comment section so I can add it for you. It's on YouTube actually. You can just search for it. Okay, so I'm going to pick one of these templates just to show us how to design a welcome back to school. You can choose this one. That one is actually a Pro version, but if you are starting out, you can choose any of the free templates. Okay, so here you insert your school logo. You can delete this one, then click on the plus sign, go to your gallery. I'm going there to select the school logo for this particular design. So I'll go to let's see, I'll go to Canva. I think I have the school logo on Canva. I hope so. Okay, I think I have it here. Okay, here is the school logo I want to use. Add to page. It's going to be big, so you will need to reduce the size. So for you to reduce the size, just click on this side of the arrow and drag in. Now, the background of this school logo I'm using is white, and it might not be so colorful to leave it like that. So I would like to remove the background of this school logo. How do I do that? I'll go to Effects. I'll go to Effects. Still clicking on the image I want to remove the background. I'll go to Effects, and then I will see Background Remover. Again, let me quickly say that it is only people that are using Canva Pro that can use BG Remover. So I'll just click on the BG Remover. It will remove the background of the image for me. Can you see? It has removed the background of the image, so I can do little adjustments. Then the year is year 2024. Okay, I can see school admission now open for registration. I can put my the school email address here. Let's say I want to put, or probably we have a website, I'm going to put it there. Then on this side, I can put the phone number of the school. Then here I can put probably one of our social media handles, Facebook, Instagram, or whatever. Then I'll put everything. If I want to change this picture, all I need to do is either I go to my gallery, bring another picture, or let me go back, click on replace. Either I click on replace or click on this one to take me to my gallery, and then I'll change the image. The same way, I can reduce the size of this image. I can increase it, and when I'm done, I'll just click on download. This is the download button here. I'll just click on download and then download it. Let me quickly show you another template again. If you don't want that one, I'll just show you another template. So you can do this by yourself if you don't want to pay any graphic designer to design a welcome back to school greetings for your school. You know, in the economy of today, we have to reduce costs by all means. I'm trying to look for another one you can. This was the one we used. I'm trying to look for another one we can use again to welcome. Now this is another one. If you don't want that one, you can just go ahead and search and search and search. Let's go up, back to school. Okay, here is one. This one is empty. This one is empty, but it's a pro template also. So I'm just going to insert whatever details I need. So let me use this one to teach you how to, so this like just have given us a background of a template. You are the one that will enter whatever it is that you want. So let's start. I'm going to first of all put in the name of the school. Let's say I want to say welcome back to school. Okay, welcome back to school. If this is too much, I can click on this place. Sorry, I can click on this enter key to reduce it. And if you want to change the font, you can as well change the font. Now let's see, how do we change the font? This is font here. Just look for maybe another font you want to use. Let's say if I want to use this one, what will it look like? Okay, if I'm okay with this, then I can go ahead with it. If I want to change the color, I can change the color to this type of red. That's if I want that. Okay, so let's say we have this here. I want to put the school logo. Probably I'll just delete this one so my school logo can come there. Now because I have earlier entered the school logo, I do not need to go to my gallery again. I'll just go to upload. It will be there already. It will be in my upload already. So I'll just click on it. Okay, and like I did earlier, I'm going to remove the background again. Do we understand? Let's just go to effects. Then now if you need Canva Pro to make use of these things, you can please just request for the video of how to get Canva Pro for yourself. Now if I am done, if I'm okay with this, and then I want to type in some other things, I can just go to maybe elements, then I'll go to maybe can you see under graphics? There are a lot of things under graphics that I can use. Some are free, some are paid, depending on your choice and what you want. You can just make do. Okay, can we see? So these are the various things we have under graphics that we can make use of. Now let's see magic recommendations. Let's see all. Can you see? I can select this bag, put it. We are welcoming our students back to school, so everything that represents school, I can say okay, I can say I want school children or pupils. Let's use students because these pupils might mean a part of the eyes. Students, okay, group of students. Okay, so can we see that? So I can just go for if your own is primary, you can go for this. If yours is secondary, you can look for, these are secondary school students, and you use any of the pictures. So I'm going to use this one. If I'm going for primary, let's remove this bag and put this bag somewhere around here first. I'm just trying to show us where to get things while designing something on Canva. I would like to remove some of these things here. Let me delete it so I can put my logo here. Okay, So this one, I want to delete it so I can have some space to enter some things. I'll delete this one also. Okay, so I have something like this. Welcome back to school, and here is the name of the school. Okay, so if you want to use the name of your, if you want to use a picture of your own students, you can just come back here, then you go to your gallery, and of course you know you should have the picture of your students you want to use in your gallery. Just insert it and you are good to go. So when you are done with that, if there are other information you want to add, if you want to add the name of the school, you can just duplicate this one. Did you see what I just did? Let me show you again. I clicked on this one and then I clicked on duplicate. So I'll just duplicate it, I'll bring it here and edit it. Covenant of Peace School. So after that, I can either change the color, adjust it, place it any way I feel like placing it, and I am good to go. Let me reduce this one a little bit. So you are the one that knows what you want, how you want it, and you can make do with whatever it is that is available on Canva. There are a lot of templates on Canva. The only thing that can limit you is if you are using the free version. And that is why I'm saying you can as well get the pro version of Canva for yourself. So if you are okay with this, or probably you want to add a class or whatever, just edit whatever it is you can edit and you are good to go. Just edit anything that makes it look very beautiful and you are good to go. Then you download. If there are other things you want to add, probably you want to just come to this place. To this text is to pick the text. This place is to upload picture or video or whatever, and upload whatever picture you have uploaded before. You will have it here. Then if you want to change a text to an image on Canva, you can come to app, then come to your apps. You will see text to image. I've created video on that already too, under my Canva tutorials. So let's say we are done with this particular design. I'll click on download and I'll download it and I'm good to go.